Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and today I am working on a theme spec for the Bugatti Centodieci. It's Bugatti's latest entry in its limited run models that are based off of the Chiron. Other models include the Bugatti Divo and the La Vincenoise. I think I said that right. The Centodieci is a reinterpretation of the original EB110 from the early 90s. And it also celebrates 110 years of Bugatti. Only 10 in total will be produced. The price is about $9 million. And yeah, they're already sold out. For this spec, I carried forward the French Racing Blue theme from the EB110 LM, the car that raced in the 24 Hours of Le Mans back in '94. So I wanted to simplify and modernize that theme as if it was a factory spec, utilizing the famous French Racing Blue body color and tying in the red and white accents to complete the flag-inspired look. So leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this spec and the Centodieci in general. And also, as a side note and a quick thank you, I just wanted to let you guys know we recently hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. You all are awesome. I love showing you guys a behind-the-scenes look at all the projects that I get to work on, while also having a bit of fun and conversing with you guys in the comments or messages. So again, I just wanted to thank you guys for your support. There's a ton of new cool projects and news that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So hit that subscribe button to stay up to date, and I'll catch up with you guys at the end of the video. All right, as always, leave your comment below on your thoughts about this spec. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will be back soon with another one. I'll catch you guys next time.